Hello friends, my name is Swapnil Mane, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vidyavardhini College of Engineering and Technology, Vasai. I welcome you all in this student development program, AutoCAD, a tool for engineers. In this video, we will be discussing about Introduction to AutoCAD. When we talk about AutoCAD, we require or what is the learning outcomes of this video. At the end of this video, students will be able to differentiate between design and drafting, understand the purpose and use of AutoCAD software, know the companies using AutoCAD software in their operations. Prerequisites: basic knowledge of geometry, basic knowledge of Windows based application, basic knowledge of engineering drawing. When we talk about drawing, design, drafting, these terms might be some confusing terms for you. Are they same or are they different? Let us talk one by one. When we talk about drawing, it is a representation of idea of an artist. Universally, this will be called a sun, a banana tree, a house. That means whenever an artist puts his ideas onto some paper, the user will interpret based on his intellectual about the drawing or painting. When you look at the Nazca lines, the country of Peru, the user will interpret, some of them will interpret some is the arrangement of these lines, or some of them will call it as a spider, etc. So drawing is just a representation of idea, and the interpretation will be different for different persons. When we talk about a design, specifically when we talk about a logo design, take an example of this Amazon logo, which is connecting A to Z. So it is having some meaning. That means Amazon is a company which fulfills all the needs of the customer right from A to Z. When we talk about the design of this house, it is taking into consideration the movement of natural light, natural air circulation. Also the design of the roof talks about this place will be in the rainforest region wherein there is a requirement to run off the rain falling onto the roof quickly. So design and drawing. So drawing is just a representation of idea, whereas design takes into consideration all the technical aspects and the application wise. Then what is drafting? Once the design is made, it needs to be put onto the paper, which can be given to manufacturing firm. That means when the layout is created, the construction or civil engineers will be able to build this house based on these dimensions. That means a drafting is a representation of drawing on paper, with added things are the notations, dimensions, annotations and scales. Look at this technical drawing. It is a technical drawing of a hoop which is universally accepted all over the world and is having some dimensions. If this drawing is given to a manufacturing firm in any part of the world, the manufacturing firm will be able to manufacture the same hook in all the places with the same precision and accuracy. So what is drafting? The process of creation, modification, development and editing of drawing is called as drafting. Drafting gives output in a medium, generally a sheet of paper or on screen. Since it is a process, it needs well-developed procedure for quality output. There are mainly two types of drafting: manual drafting and computerized drafting. Both need skill to achieve quality output. The person who has the skills is called as draftsman. Advantage of computerized drafting. Computerized drafting over manual drafting will give better quality of designs, that means accuracy and precision, easy saving and sharing, that means the file which is being created can be saved in different formats, example PDF, JPG, etc., and can be shared onto the cloud. Modify and reproduce faster. Example of manual drawing: if the manual drawing needs to be modified or reproduced, it needs to be drawn right from scratch. Whereas in computerized drafting, we can modify and reproduce as many times as possible. Next advantage is the ability to create 3D CAD models. CAD means computer aided drafting, template and database creation. If in an industry, same type of drawings are created with the modifications of some different parts. Example, we are having crates of different size and dimensions, but the basic template of that company, like title block, name of the drawing, and the symbols remain the same. That can be created in a template format, and then the other dimensions or the other models can be replaced. We can have a database of such kind of application of such kind of drawings in one place and can be shared with the world. The software companies that provide the AutoCAD is called as Autodesk. You will be surprised to know Autodesk has more than 140 application softwares with different domains in the field of architecture, engineering and construction. They give us AutoCAD, Civil 3D and powerful BIM tools for architecture, engineering and construction projects. Also, Autodesk is into product design and manufacturing collection, which is Inventor, AutoCAD, Fusion, etc. Also, Autodesk is into media and entertainment collection, which gives the animation software such as 3ds, Maya, etc. So you see, Autodesk is a huge company, and in that it is a provider of AutoCAD, which is a drafting software. So what is AutoCAD? In general, we are having this entire course based on AutoCAD, but if you want to summarize in just a few points, AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software that architects, engineers, and construction professionals rely on to create precise 2D and 3D drawings, two-dimensional and three-dimensional drawings. The software is provided is able to give the draft, annotate, and design 2D geometry and 3D models with solid surface and mesh objects. Automate tasks such as comparing drawings, adding blocks, creating schedules, and many more. The software is also having some customizing options with add-on apps and application programming interface. One of the key features of AutoCAD I would like to tell you. Take an example of manual drawing. A manual draftman is creating a drawing and submitting it for evaluation. The evaluator will not come to know what techniques are used by that draftman. But there is a feature in AutoCAD called as an action recorder, in which we will be able to record all the commands that is being executed in AutoCAD by that draftsman to create that drawing. So whether it is nice? How to work smart using AutoCAD. AutoCAD has enhanced its application in addition with the key ingredients in the software such as performance enhancements. AutoCAD is available on any device, desktop, web or mobile. You will be able to store these files on cloud storage connectivity provided by AutoCAD. That means you can access any drawing file in AutoCAD with Autodesk Cloud as well as with the leading cloud storage providers such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, OneDrive, etc. AutoCAD is also available on Google Play. So go ahead and install this AutoCAD software using your mobile phone. What are the companies using AutoCAD? Country-wise, United States is the number one country to use Autodesk AutoCAD. India ranks 4th and some more countries. Distribution of companies using AutoCAD. That means what are the domains, industry domain, which are using this software. So if you are planning to go for any of the country, any of the industry related to construction, architecture and planning, machinery, computer, design, civil engineering, AutoCAD is a basic tool you must understand. So you have made a right decision to enroll to this student development program. Talking about the market share, I told you in the previous slide that there are several softwares which are offering this drafting tool. But in that, the AutoCAD is having 33% market share. So isn't it great journey ahead? So journey start with a small step. And this was a small step about introduction of AutoCAD. Hope to see you in the future sessions as well. Thank you very much for listening.